Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain SQL commands and PostgreSQL data types in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So let's start with SQL commands and then move to PostgreSQL data types. SQL commands are divided into 5 main categories, which are data definition language, data query language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. So let us discuss each and every command in detail. So the first command is DDL, data definition language. The commands are used to define or change the structure of the database objects like tables, and the common DTL commands are create. It is used to create tables or databases, and next one is drop. It delete tables or databases, and next one is alter. It modifies the table structure, and the last command is truncate. It removes all records but keeps the table structure. So for example, when you create a new table, you use create. And the next command is DML, data manipulation language. These commands are used to work with data inside the tables. So here some of the commands include insert to add new data, update, modify existing data, and delete. It removes the data. So for example, inserting the student details into a table, we can use insert. And next command is DQL, data query language. It is mainly used to fetch data. So in this select is the most important command here. For example, if you want to see the student records, you can use select statement. And the next command is DCL, data control language. It is used for permissions and security. So here there are two commands. One is grant, it gives access, and next one is revoke, it removes the access. For example, we can grant read access to a particular users or write access like that. And the last command is TCL, transaction control languages. It is mainly used to manage the transactions. Here the commands include commit, it is used for save changes, rollback for undo the changes, and next one is save point. It sets a point in a transaction. It is useful when working with large data updates. Now let's move to PostgreSQL data types. The first one is number data types. It is used to store numerical values. So as we can see from the above table, we are having small int, integer, big int. These all represent for the whole numbers and having the different storage size like 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes. And next one is numerical alt decimal. It stores the exact values. And next one is real double precision. It is for floating values. And also serial and big serial, it is used for the auto increment numbers. And next one is character data types. It is used to store text. From the above table we are having some of the data types like char, it is for fixed length, and varchar, it is for variable length, and text, it is for unlimited length. And the next type is date and time. It is used to store date and time. So from the above table we can see we use date for only particular date and time and only for the time value, and also we use timestamp for both date and time, and we are having the timestamp jet with the time zone, and also we are having the interval type like it is used for time difference. And the next one is Boolean type, as we already aware of that, like either true or false, like 0 or 1. And next one is enumerated type. It stores the predefined values, for example days of the week like Monday to Sunday. And next one is the geometric types. It is used for spatial data like point, line, box, polygon, circle. And the next one is network address types. It is used to store the network information, to store the IPv4, IPv6 and MAC addresses. So by the above slide you can clearly observe that. And the next one is bit string types. It is used to store the binary data like bit and bit varying. These are the two SQL bit types. And next one is the text search types. It is used for full text search like TS vector and TS query. And the next one is UUID type, which means a universally unique identifiers. It stores the globally unique identifiers. It is mainly used in the distributed system. And next one is the XML types. It is used to store the structured data. As we can see the above the structure details and the structure format. And the next type is array type. It is used to store the multiple values in a single column. So here we can see the declaration of arrays, how the arrays can be declared. So from the above example one, we can declare the array with simple syntax. First we need to create the table, and next we name the text. It means stores the name as a text. And we are having the saving per quarter integer. It means it stores the multiple integer values in one column. And next we are having the scheme text. So it represents a two-dimensional array of text values. It is used when data has rows and columns. So this method is flexible because the array size can be changed. And next we can create by using the keyword array as create table the name text as previously before. And next one is the saving per quarter integer array of 4. It means it declares an array with maximum 4 elements. It is commonly used when the number of values are fixed. So both the methods are valid in PostgreSQL. And the next one is composite type. It represents a group of multiple fields similar to a structure or record. So the following example shows how to declare a composite type. So first we are creating the composite type. So the next we are having the inventory item. It is a user defined composite type and it contains the item name, supplier identifier and the item price. This type behaves like a custom data structure. And the next we use the composite type in a table. So here we are also having the item inventory item, like a single column that stores multiple attributes together. And count integer, it stores a quantity available. It makes the table design clean and modular. And the final data types is range. It stores a range of values instead of a single value. So here the built-in range types are available, including the following ranges like int for range. It stores the range of integers like 1 to 10, and int 8 range, it is for large integers, and num range, it is for numerical integers, and ts range, it is a range of timestamp without time zone. Tz range, it is a time range of timestamp with time zone. And the next one is date range, it is a range of date. So this is today's session, and the next session will discuss commands with detailed examples. Thank you.